Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we are back with wholesome new question which says the product of all positive real values of x satisfying the equation. So, we have to find out all positive x and then we have to multiply them. So, look at this equation. It is x to the power something, 5 to the power something. So, if you'll observe this problem, things are in the power and we don't know that whether power is equal, base is equal, and we don't know how to manipulate this thing. So I feel that we guys are having problem with the power. So what I will do, I will take log on both sides. So let's take log on both sides. So it will become log x. And if you'll take log on both sides, what should be the base of the log? It's given in the problem that they are using 5 as the base. So I will also use base 5. So it is 16 log x base 5 cube minus 68 log x base 5 equals 5 power minus 16. Wait, here I have to take log 5 power minus 15 16. Okay, now you know that if anything is in the power of argument can come at coefficient. So can I write 16 log x base 5 to the power 3 minus 68 log x base 5 and then log x base 5. This 16 minus 16 will come over here and log 5 base 5 will become 1. Okay, now let's multiply and keep everything on one side. Also, what we will do, we will write log x base 5 to be y. So it is y power 3 into y. So it will become y power 4. So 16 y power 4 minus 68 y square and plus of 16. Okay. So I will divide both side by 4. So it will become 4y power 4 minus 4 1 time 4 17 y square plus 4. So 16 1 time 16. So 4 y power 4 16 y square plus 4. I will take 4y square common from here minus 1 from there. We are left with y square minus 4. Okay. Now from here onwards y square is equal to 1 by 4 and 4. Correct. So y will become 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2, 2 minus 2. But who is y? Y is log x base 5. 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2, 2 minus 2. Okay. So can I write x to be 5 power 1 by 2? 5 power 1 by 2 is what? Root 5. 5 power minus 1 by 2 is what? 1 by root 5. 5 power 2 is what? 5 power 2. 5 power minus 2 is what? 1 by 5 power 2. So if you multiply all these x now, all these answers, you will get 1. Hence, the answer is 1. I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. So see you guys in the next session of MathFlix.